Welcome to our channel. If you want to download MasterClass lessons for offline viewing, follow these step-by-step instructions using the MasterClass mobile app. Step 1. Download and install the MasterClass app from the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Note that downloads are only available through the mobile app, not on desktop browsers. Step 2. Open the MasterClass app and log in with your account credentials. Ensure you have an active subscription, as downloads require a valid membership. Step 3. Connect to a strong Wi-Fi network before downloading lessons, as video files are high quality and can consume significant data and storage space. Step 4. Browse or search for the class you want to download. Tap on the class to open its course page with the full lesson list. Step 5. Look for the download icon, typically displayed as a downward-pointing arrow, next to each lesson or at the top of the class page. Step 6. To download individual lessons, tap the download icon next to each lesson you want to save. To download the entire class, look for a Download All Lessons option. Step 7. The download will begin, and you'll see a progress indicator. Make sure your device has sufficient storage space for the high-quality video content. Step 8. Once downloaded, access your offline content by tapping on Downloads or My Downloads in the app menu. Your lessons will be available to watch without an internet connection. Step 9. To manage your downloaded content and free up space, go to the Downloads section where you can remove lessons you've finished watching or no longer need. Step 10. Remember that downloaded content may need to be refreshed periodically, so connect to the internet occasionally to ensure continued access to your offline lessons. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.